Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make repost visible to anyone on TikTok. It's pretty simple. So this is my repost section on my profile on TikTok, as you guys can see. So to make it public, by default it's already going to be on public, but for some people it's going to be on private. Now to make it public, you need to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen on TikTok, and then you want to click on the three line at the top right. Then go on settings and privacy. Over here click on privacy. Inside of privacy, scroll a bit down until you see the option called repost. If you see the option called repost, you can just click on repost and make sure it's on everyone. Once it's on everyone will be able to view repost. But as you guys can see in my section over here, I don't see the repost option. So this repost option is not available in all the country. So if you're in a country like me where it's not available, it's not going to be shown to you. But first make sure to update your TikTok, because sometimes lack of update as well causes this problem. So by updating your TikTok, if you see the repost option over here, your problem is fixed. If it's still not fixed, then from setting you can just scroll a bit down and click on report a problem, and inside report a problem you can scroll all the way down to click on submit a report, and over here you can write your problem like this: hey, I don't have repost option on my TikTok privacy setting, can you help me fix it? Once you write it, just click on submit, and this report will be submitted to TikTok, and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. That's how you guys can make your repost visible on TikTok. By default it is going to be visible. If it is not, you need to go through setting. But if you don't find the option in setting, update your TikTok. If you still don't find it, then report this problem. So hope you understand how to fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.